Hi, thanks for using my court coach. I'm Sarah, and I'll be your instructor today as we talk about the Declaration and Conditional Waiver of Rights under the Service Members Civil Relief Act of 2003. This is also known as Form FL-130A. This is not a standalone form. This will be attached to the Appearance, Stipulation, and Waivers form. That's the FL-130A. You would only use this form if the respondent is a member of the military. And need to make a general appearance without paying the first paper filing fee that is otherwise required. So as with all our forms, you want to fill in your identifying case caption information at the top. This form would be signed by the respondent, and it acknowledges that they understand they are entitled to certain benefits under the Service Members Civil Relief Act, but that they want to allow the court to decide this cause as an uncontested matter and enter a judgment that incorporates the terms of the written agreement between the parties. And as such, the respondent, the military member, will be making a knowing, intelligent, and voluntary conditional waiver of their right to seek to set aside a default judgment entered against them in this matter. This waiver is conditioned as follows. The waiver only applies to the written agreement of the parties, and then you can check the box that correctly identifies what type of written agreement that is. Either it's a stipulation for judgment, a marital settlement agreement, which is a little bit lengthier and more detailed, or other, in which case you would specify. This form makes it very clear that if the agreement is changed in any way, or if the court changes the above agreement in any way, that you do not then waive your rights under the Service Members Civil Relief Act, and you do retain your right to set aside the judgment at any time. This agreement to set or to waive your right to default only applies if the agreement that you have submitted is made part of the judgment without any changes. So then you want to type your name, sign, and date, attach this form to the FL-130 form, and then submit that form as part of your judgment packet. I hope you found this helpful. Good luck.